So some of you guys, you may be familiar with School, you may be familiar with just different platforms that, basically allow you to host a community and host a course of video recordings. And I'm going to show you how to do it on Discord, which is a video game chat app, actually. But you can use it to host your community and your course for free. And I'm going to show you how I do that in just a few easy steps. So these are just a couple that I have here just to run you through. So this is actually the community I have currently for my Dream Coach Inner Circle. So you can see there's a main chat, there's a wins chat. This is where I post recordings. And then I have the different modules and the different components that are part of the module. So module one, basically what I do in each of these channels that I create, and you can easily, create text channel or duplicate channel here. I'm going to make one from scratch so you guys can see it. But basically what I do is I just drop a YouTube video that is unlisted, meaning it's not public or it's not private. This is a YouTube Creator Studio once you have your YouTube channel. When you upload a video, you can make it either public, private, or unlisted. Unlisted basically means that the only people that can access this video are the people that have the link. So this is what I use when I create my videos or courses for my clients, right? So start here. This is kind of just module one intro. How do you use Discord? How do you navigate your way around it? And then you can see that I have the different modules. I have templates here for each of these different components. You can see I have module 4, I have some templates, and I have a bonus masterclass that I've put there for content. You can see, again, you can drop PDFs and templates. You can drop links to help for whatever it is that is part of your coaching program or consulting program. And yeah, basically, this is how I run my course. My clients have access to all of this. And yeah, I'm going to make a brand new one here just for you guys to know how to do it. So create my own. So you're going to, first and foremost, this is Discord on my Mac computer. I have the app. You can also do this from your phone. I recommend doing it from a computer. It might be easier. So yeah, create a new server, create my own. And I'm going to say for a club or community. And then I don't know, let's just say Discord example server. That's what I'm going to put here. You can upload an image, create. Okay, cool. So now I have my server here. What they have here are text channels, and I can create multiple channels. So let's just say for text, my text channels, I want a channel for wins where my clients can share wins, progress, testimonies, that they're doing that I can also use to promote my coaching program or consulting program through social media. I can screenshot different wins that my clients put in there, and they'll have access to each of these. And then another one I have is coaching recordings. So my clients have access to all of the recordings from previous coaching calls that I actually use with Fathom. So yeah, basically, these are text channels, and basically what you can do is now create another channel. And let's just say that I want to do something like, I don't know, mindset channel. So what I did is I did a right click and then create channel. So now you could see it becomes its own separate thing. So what I like to do is separate the text channels where there's chats happening, right? The general, or you can rename this as like main chat. That's what I did. So this is where people can talk about anything and everything, their questions, whatever it is that they have. And then basically, yeah, just talk. And then wins, and then coaching recordings. So basically, these two will be the main text channels. Coaching recordings, I'll just be putting the recording links in there. And then basically, when I right click, I'll do create channel, and then I'll do different ones. So let's just say you're a fitness coach, and let's just say you want a channel specifically for weight loss. Here, you can literally take content. So here, for example, I will take the link, get shareable link from my YouTube Creator Studio, drop the link in here, and there you go. Now this is literally a place for the module for them to, you know, come to this specific channel, and this is where they will find the module for the next step. And then let's just say I want to create another one, and let's just say exercise regimens. And then in this place, I can get my module or my recording. I can drop it in here. I can also drop templates in here, PDFs, whatever documents your clients need to work with. And basically, that's it. You just repeat it. You just keep going with the same exact thing. And then you can invite people to your community. So, you'll have your member list. You can also customize which people have access to what specifically. So maybe let's say your course is a course that is unlocked each month. So first month they only have access to one channel or two channels. And then the next month they have access to the next two channels. So it's progressive and they're not overloaded with information. So that's an option. But essentially that's it. Pretty simple. Again, you don't have to pay for this. So most people are using School and SKOOL, and they're paying $99 a month when you could be doing this for free here, right? Of course, it maybe doesn't look as uh, you know, like a professional classroom. Maybe I don't know if you prefer that. Maybe you can use School, but this is a great way without paying anything to get started, host your community, host your course, and be doing it in a very organized way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy and use this, especially for group coaching and especially for hosting community, because that's what people need right now. People are going to pay for your coaching program and get probably the most value from the community aspect and journeying with others and building relationship network. So, yep, that's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching, and would love to see how your experience goes with this.